Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have someone left the message to asking about how to draw in perspective. Today I'm going to explain the very basic rules of the perspective. We are going to talking about a 1 point and a 2 point perspective. Let's take the building for example. If you stay close to a building, the building looks much taller and bigger. You stay far away, the building looks much smaller. That is we call the perspective. We put a piece of paper in front of us. When we move our camera, you can see this line is getting much shorter. Let's start with a 1 point perspective. We draw a horizontal line. We consider this is your eye level. On the horizontal line, we mark 1 point. According to this point, let's draw a box. Because it's a 1 point perspective, so in front of the box, it's still rectangular. But on the side, you can see it. It's the lines is leading to that point. Let's move to the 2 point perspective. Horizontal line first, and we're going to make a 2 points on each side of the horizontal line. The differences between these two, when you draw the box, you will see the second one with a 2 point perspective. The front side of the box is not rectangular. You see the lines has to go to the second point on the left side. Even the lines inside the box has to lead into each side of the point. But the first one, the 1 point perspective, in front is exactly the rectangular. It's 90 degrees in each angles. So you will see the different result. Let's put the door in front and the side. The door in front has to be rectangular, but the top part of the side door has to lead down to this point on the right. For the 2 point perspective drawing, the both doors on the top side, you have to lead to each point. So you'll see it's not a horizontal line. Let's move to the building drawing. We find the horizontal line and the point. The lines on the right side has to ending to that point. Left side is the same thing. It's just the ending point is further, so you cannot find it in this paper. It's outside, but it's the same idea. All the line has to end in the same point. Of course, in real drawing, I never use a ruler because art is art, it's not science, so it's not math. You don't need to be perfect. Just be aware of the lines ending up the point. And sometimes when you're standing in front of the huge building, you'll figure out on the two sides, it's not straight up, it's not vertical. That's because it has a third point. And we are not going to talk in that today. The 1 point, 2 point is a good start for the beginner. Hope this tutorial is useful for you. Please subscribe or give a thumb up. See you next time. Bye.